What's up? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. So today, as you guys can see, we have a start to finish ICY Blonde install and rework of an old wig that I'm transforming. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this wig to suit my skin tone, then keep watching. So I'm going to start off by mixing some bleach and reworking these roots. I dyed them previously like a brown colour, which did not suit me. And this time we're going for the rootless straight blonde look. So we're going to start getting rid of that brown. Okay, do not judge, okay? It's looking crazy, but it's not because the hair is bad. I literally had a little bout of bleach left. You guys saw the little box I had. I need to actually get another one. So I had to kind of rush and just go through everything as much as possible. I feel like I hit everywhere that needs to be hit, which is more so like the perimeter and the middle part. But it will be fine once I condition it. It's looking a hot mess, I know, but don't worry. Trust the process. So I'm gonna let it process for another 20-30 minutes. So this is how it's looking. I put some conditioner on it just for now to soften it up since it was in bleach. So as you can see, it's looking kind of pinkish. I feel like when it dries it won't look that pink. Hopefully when I put some toner on it, it will calm down. I'm gonna use this L'Oreal purple shampoo to tone it. I used a little bit of this last time and it literally toned the hair so fast. It was like icy blonde like in no time. So you literally don't need a lot of this, like a little bit, put it in water and dip the wig in and out. Do you guys see how it's toned it compared to what it was like before? It was like super pink. Apologies, the light of my bathroom, I don't know why it's blinking. But do you guys see how toned it is compared to how it was before? It was looking like super pink and brassy. Like, this shampoo is the truth. Even if you want to tone your hair, because look how toned it is. I'm literally going to tone it all now, but yeah, this shampoo is the truth. Just want to show you guys how it's looking. Literally all I'm doing is dipping like that. I'm bringing it up and checking the color each time. Don't ever do this. Leave it in there because you're going to get a color that you may not like. So just want to dip it in, take it out, dip it in, take it out. And then assess the color, see how you like it. This is pretty much good now because I don't want it to get too gray, but yeah. Look at how it looks. It looks so good. So you guys saw before it was giving a little pinky orange, but with that shampoo, like I said, you don't need any dye. Like all you need to buy is a 613 wig and rinse it with that shampoo. So you can see a little bit of like a tingy bit of the brown in the root, but I don't mind it because it gives it a bit of dimension. But it's just because I didn't have that much bleach. If I had enough bleach, it honestly would have been perfect, but I kind of like it has a bit of dimension in the root because I don't have any roots. I didn't want to have roots on this unit, which is the whole reason why I ended up bleaching it, because I feel like the roots just give, to me they were given like 2012. It feels really good. It's super like, it's got a nice body to it. So I'm loving the color already. Like the color's gonna be so good. Like obviously I do need to put like makeup on the lace. I need to lay it down, but it's gonna be popping. I've done blonde before, but never like without roots, so it's gonna be a bit different. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut off some of this extra lace because one, I don't need it at the front. I literally only wore this wig one time on my birthday like a year or two ago. Once I took it off that day, I didn't wear it again. Because I didn't like the roots. I feel like the roots should have been darker. They weren't complementing my skin tone. So I just left it in the box. But now, let's get into this rootless blonde. So I think I'm going to do a middle part, so I might as well just get that situated. with the hair, it has a nice thickness to it. It's from TINASHE Hair, and it's pretty soft. Like, it's pretty soft for blonde hair. I am getting a bit of shedding, but I mean, I'm expecting it because I did bleach the roots and stuff. But yeah, so far so good. It doesn't tangle, easy to run my hands through, and it has a nice thickness to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and style this and do my makeup. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to see how it looks. Like, honestly, excited. So for the loose waves, I'm gonna use my curling one and my straightener, just depending on how they're gonna come out. I think I'm gonna primarily use my wand, but I also have my straightener just in case.
Only one choice now. Just to let us be. 'Cause I treasure the way you calm me down. How you set me free. When I thought it was impossible. 'Cause I fall off the focus before. But you different, you good to the bone. It compels me to bail my soul. I wanna be the one. 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 Yeah. Choice, choice. Just to let us be. 'Cause I treasure the way you calm. How you set me free. When I thought it was impossible. 'Cause I fall off the focus before. But you're different, you're good to the bone. It compels me to bear my soul. I wanna be the one. 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 Yeah.
So now it's styled for the most part. I'm gonna finish off my makeup and then show you guys the finished look. I'm actually liking it, but I'm a bit scared. So I feel like I have to put my makeup and then I'll really see how it comes together. So I'm gonna quickly do that and then come back. I'll show you guys.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like I'm riding with you till the night is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're waking up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Like if I said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you were the truth. So come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something about it? With your head in the place.
Okay guys, so with the makeup, I think it's gonna be cute. I've already got a bit of foundation in my hair, which is really annoying. Like right here. That's really annoying, but I literally need to buy makeup wipes. I've run out, so I can't even fix that. But I'm just gonna kind of refresh some of the curls, especially at the front, just to get them a little more popping. But today's makeup came out really cute. This is just how my usual makeup is, but I think it looks even more better because my hair color is different. I feel like my features are coming out more. Are we liking the blonde on me? Because I think it looks good. I've worn blonde hair probably one time, two times, maybe in like a picture. One time ages ago for like a picture, and then the other time was my birthday and I really didn't like it that much. So yeah, this will be different. Before I take off this band, I'm just gonna go over the roots with my, what do you call this, hot comb. Almost lost my words. My hot comb. Just gonna go over the root and then I'll show you guys the finished look. probably gonna have to do a little makeup in the forehead as I predicted, because obviously it was covered the whole time. I guess that is it. How do we feel? Is it giving? Is it giving? I don't know. I feel like overall it looks cute. I don't know. What are you guys feeling? Do we like? I feel like maybe I need some layers. Just some baby ones. And I'm not someone that knows how to do layers, so this is all just like trial and error. Okay, so this is basically the finished look. I'm not sure how I feel about it. I tried something different and we'll just see how it goes. I feel like I still need to take like some pictures and see how I feel. As far as like the no roots thing, I don't think it looks bad. I actually kind of like it. I feel like I just gotta get used to it. As far as the color, I'm absolutely obsessed. I think the color looks really good on my skin tone. But yeah, as far as the baby hairs, I'm not mad at them. I feel like it kind of frames my face a little bit. And now that I went and brushed my hair out for a second in my other mirror and kind of looked at it, I think it's cute. I actually think it's cute. I think it's a nice like little style for like a birthday. I had the vision, but I just didn't execute it in the way that I really wanted to. But now that I've actually had time to like kind of play with it and, you know, bleach it to where I wanted it, tone it to where I wanted it, I actually feel like it looks really cute. So yeah, I guess this is the finished look, and I guess I can wrap up the end of this video. Let me know, do you guys like it? Do you guys think it suits me? Do you guys think I should have kept the baby hairs or should put them away? Do you guys like the color? I feel like the color is like perfect for my skin tone. I feel like I could have probably lifted it even a little bit more icy because I feel like it's a little bit yellow still. I could have made it a little bit more grey or more cool toned, but I still think it's pretty cute and it does compliment me. But yeah, I guess that's the end of today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I will put the wig link, if I still have it, in the description, or I'll put the description of what I got and what I ordered. But yeah, if you guys have any questions about the unit or the wig, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to put your notifications on so you guys are notified when I upload my next video. Subscribe as always, and I will see you guys in my next one.